This video is the continuation of the former video. For completeness of this series, in the CDC warning in the former video, a global action plan on AMR is mentioned. This global action plan on AMR is an initiative of WHO and not of this channel or of the authors of this channel. We know it exists, but we do not know the content and the evolution of it. As far as we know, it had been going on at least since 2010, and no satisfactory answer to the AMR challenge was ever found, and if it was found, it was not notably distributed nor declared. We conclude that non-WHO representatives have no access to or influence on this plan. This Global Action Plan on AMR of WHO is not at all related to the action plan uniquely and frequently presented in videos of this channel, and that has carbon agroforests as its main focus for its potential and solutions, but also focuses on smart city models that feature solar smart grids with grid-scale battery backup for unique autonomy and securities. Also, for completeness of this series, WHO and other health organizations on occasions mention the need of a One Health approach to control diseases, epidemics and/or AMR challenges, as in the Global Action Plan on AMR of the WHO. In this channel we do not often mention One Health, but when we do, it is to stress that also the health of individuals, herds and even herd immunity of humans and even other species are interconnected, and/or that a well-developed biodiversity matters a lot to understand and explore our potential and to understand and solve our challenges. It is almost obvious and often stressed that the BIOS proposed Carbon Agroforest Action Plan provokes extreme biodiversity, just like the Amazon forest, which carbon agroforests resemble in many aspects. One of these aspects is that they both remove masses of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, exert a biotic pump effect, and regulate climate locally and globally. The carbon agroforests regulate climate locally, but also globally as soon as they are grown on a scale comparable to at least 2 times the area of France, which is enough for these carbon agroforests to remove, together with the still existing tropical forests, all excess carbon dioxide or all post-industrial carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. In the videos of this series, quite regularly a video of NASA illustrating carbon dioxide accumulation in the course of the year is shown in the background. The flicker that exclusively occurs in the southern hemisphere is caused by the daily removal of carbon dioxide by the accumulated removal of carbon dioxide by the tropical forest, high productive biomes and highly productive oceans because of feeding by the tropical forests through their rivers. These forests, biomes, and oceans transform the carbon dioxide they remove from the atmosphere into food, biomass, materials, energy, fuels, fish, etc. All of these are renewable and relatively free of toxins and pseudo-hormones. If this production of carbon dioxide forest is optimized while sustainably managed, these carbon agroforests will produce 100-fold what traditional agriculture produces, and on top of this are able to replace the from agriculture independent, mining, drilling and unsustainable forms of fishing, also in the oceans. This video is part of a series and to be continued.